Hello students, welcome to the English language class. Students, as you know that we are doing chapter 5 nouns, and yesterday we discussed nouns, its kinds and exercise A of this chapter. Students, today we will do the next exercises of this chapter. So let's start with exercise B. Write a common noun for each proper noun. Students, here you have been given some proper nouns and you have to write a common noun for each proper noun. The first two have been done for you. First one, आमिर खान. आमिर खान क्या है? एक एक्टर है. तो आमिर खान के लिए हम कौन सा कॉमन नाउन यूज़ करेंगे? एक्टर. आफ्टर दैट, अफ्रीका. अफ्रीका इट इज़ अ कॉन्टिनेंट. सो कॉमन नाउन वुड बी कॉन्टिनेंट फॉर अफ्रीका. थर्ड, रस्किन बॉन्ड. रस्किन बॉन्ड कौन है? ऑथर हैं एक. ओके. द ताजमहल. ताजमहल के लिए हम कौन सा कॉमन नाउन यूज़ करेंगे? मॉन्यूमेंट. द ताजमहल इज़ अ मॉन्यूमेंट. फिफ्थ, मैरी कॉम. मैरी कॉम कौन है? बॉक्सर. तो उसके लिए हम कौन सा कॉमन नाउन यूज़ करेंगे मैरी कॉम के लिए? बॉक्सर. यूरोप. यूरोप के लिए हम कौन सा करेंगे कॉमन नाउन यूज़? कॉन्टिनेंट. लाइक अफ्रीका, यूरोप इज़ ऑल्सो अ कॉन्टिनेंट. गुवाहाटी, इट इज़ द नेम ऑफ अ सिटी. द बाइबल इज़ अ होली बुक. तो बाइबल के लिए हम कौन सा कॉमन नाउन यूज़ करेंगे? होली बुक. केरला स्टेट का नेम है, तो केरला के लिए कॉमन नाउन यूज़ होगा स्टेट. CNN, IBN. Students, if you see the news channel on your television, then you must be knowing that it is the name of a news channel. The Yamuna, आप SST में पढ़ते हो ना, द गंगा, द यमुना, द सतलज, it is the name of a river. The Sound of Music, it is the name of a movie. Okay students, now see exercise C. Underline the collective nouns. Students, here you have been given some sentences and you have to underline the collective noun in each sentence. Okay students, first one, the fox hid behind a clump of trees. In this sentence collective noun would be clump. कलेक्टिव नाउन का मतलब होता है कि जब हम एक ही काइंड की जो थिंग्स होती है उनके ग्रुप को एक नाम देते हैं. जैसे यहाँ पर ट्रीज़ दिया है, अगर ट्रीज़ का एक कह सकते हैं ग्रुप है जब बहुत सारे ट्रीज़ लगे हुए हैं तो हम उसे क्या बोलेंगे? अ क्लम्प ऑफ ट्रीज़. तो यहाँ पर कलेक्टिव नाउन क्या होगा? क्लम्प. सेकेंड, आई सॉ अ लिटर ऑफ किटन्स इन आवर गार्डन. इन दिस सेंटेंस कलेक्टिव नाउन वुड बी लिटर. थर्ड, Madhurima owns a fleet of cars. In this sentence, collective noun would be fleet. Fourth, the Indian cricket team played very well. In this sentence, team is collective noun. Fifth, the crew of the ship worked very hard. In this sentence, crew would be collective noun. 6. The audience was delighted to see the play. In this sentence, audience is collective noun. 7. The shopkeeper has a wad of notes in his wallet. In this sentence, wad is a collective noun. 8. The bunch of keys is in the chest of drawers. In this sentence collective noun is bunch. कीज़ का क्या होता है? बंच होता है एक. 9th sentence, one of my friends is a member of the school band. In this sentence collective noun is band. 10. A troupe of acrobats is performing at the city stadium this evening. In this sentence troupe is collective noun. Okay students, after that let's move to exercise D. Fill in the blanks with the correct collective nouns from the box. Students, here you have been given some fill in the blanks and you have been given collective nouns in the box and you have to fill the correct collective noun in the blanks. Before attempting the fill in the blanks, let's read the words or collective nouns given in the box. First, gang, bouquet, gaggle, colony, troop, caravan, battery, tribe, panel, batch, herd, congregation, murder, crowd, parliament. Now we have to fill correct collective noun in the blanks. Okay students, let's start. First one, we had to wait in the car while the dash of cows crossed the street. cows के लिए हम कौन सा collective noun यूज़ करते हैं? herd. We had to wait in the car while the herd of cows crossed the street. Second, we found a dash of ants under the rotting tree. ants के लिए हम कौन सा collective noun यूज़ करेंगे? colony. Third, the farmer kept a dash of geese in his farmyard. We will fill gaggle. The farmer kept a gaggle of geese in his farmyard. Fourth, my brother got lost in the dash of spectators at the stadium. We will write crowd of spectators. Fifth, the police are looking for a dash of thieves. thieves के लिए कौन सा collective noun यूज़ होगा? gang. Sixth, we gave our teacher a dash of beautiful roses. We will write bouquet. flowers के लिए हम कौन सा collective noun यूज़ करते हैं? bouquet. 7, the doctor ordered a dash of test for the patient. collective noun would be battery of test. 8, I baked a dash of cookies yesterday. We will write batch. 9, a dash of camels was caught in a sandstorm. camels के लिए कौन सा collective noun यूज़ होगा? caravan. Students, you must be knowing that हम कौन से word के लिए कौन सा collective noun यूज़ करेंगे. आपको पता होना चाहिए कि हम flowers के लिए जैसे bouquet यूज़ करते हैं, cookies के लिए हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे? batch. camels के लिए caravan. So you must have learned these collective nouns. Okay. 10, a dash of crows lives on the neem tree. crow के लिए हम कौन सा collective noun यूज़ करेंगे? crows के लिए murder. 11, a dash of worshippers made their way to the local church this morning. We will write congregation of worshippers. 12, a panel of experts gave advice to the minister. panel हम यूज़ करेंगे experts के लिए. 13, the troupe of performers received a standing ovation. 14, a dash of monkeys descended on the mango orchard. monkeys के लिए हम कौन सा collective noun यूज़ करेंगे? tribe. 15, the tree is home to a dash of owls. owls के लिए हम कौन सा collective noun यूज़ करेंगे? parliament. Okay students, now you have to revise exercise B, C and D of this chapter. Okay students, thank you, bye bye, take care, stay home, stay safe.